Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Chennai on February 14th. Visiting ahead of the upcoming elections, the Prime Minister unveiled a slew of development projects in the state. One of the projects was the Kaveri Gandhar project. While in Tamil Nadu, the project unveiling quoted controversy, with DMK saying the Prime Minister was fooled into inauguration. There's a bigger challenge for BJP in the neighbouring state of Karnataka. The Kaveri Gandhar project aims to prevent excess water from Kaveri flowing into the sea. It's a river linking project that would be carried out completely within Tamil Nadu. But Kaveri is an emotive and political issue, and any work related to Kaveri was bound to raise eyebrows in Karnataka. Days after the inauguration, BJP faces an embarrassing situation in Karnataka where it is in power. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa immediately jumped to damage control mode as he said that his government will not allow Tamil Nadu to use surplus Kaveri water. Yediyurappa said that Karnataka will take measures to protect its interests. With polls approaching, the project gains significance in Tamil Nadu. The project, at a cost of 14,400 crores, will divert 6,300 cubic feet of water to help southern districts of Tamil Nadu. The river linking project is a construction of 255.6 kilometer canal from Mayanur in Karur to link River Kaveri with Vaigai River. In the works for several years, the project was never completed due to lack of funds from the centre. The link canal will be built to go through 6 districts in Tamil Nadu: Karur, Trichy, Padukottai, Shivaganga, Ramanathapuram and Virudhunagar. It is crucial for these districts as it will provide water for irrigation in these districts. It would come as a huge political boost for the ruling party as well as it would be a dream project for the people of the districts. The farmers can now finally shift to water-intensive crops like turmeric, sugarcane and paddy. But while trying to gain politically in Tamil Nadu, the BJP finds itself in a fix in Karnataka. Opposition leaders have already questioned B.S. Yediyurappa. Former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and H.D. Kumaraswamy questioned the government. Siddaramaiah urged the Chief Minister to approach the Supreme Court, tweeting, "Tamil Nadu government is planning to unauthorizedly use 45 TMC feet of Kaveri water for river linking project. I urge the state government to move immediately to stop this illegal move." Meanwhile, Kumaraswamy said that Tamil Nadu's claim that only excess water would be used for the project would come as a setback to Karnataka in times of crisis, and Karnataka should deal with the issue cautiously. With pressure mounting on Yediyurappa in Karnataka, it is likely that he will initiate legal proceedings against the project. It's going to be a tough tightrope walk for the BJP to handle the issue in both Karnataka and Tamil Nadu to its advantage.